Sedona!
What? Oh, hey guys, it's me Sedona. Welcome back to another awesome video. Today we are going to England. And I'm super excited because that is where I was born. And then we're gonna go to the Czech Republic and it's gonna be awesome. So, and also we're gonna be making slime on the plane.
We'll try.
Yeah.
And here we have the supplies. Here it is.
And there's like other colors.
We tried to mix in the food coloring and it looks a little bit suspicious, but
The white one is the best.
and we have dark dyed. I know, and we also have this.
Yeah, this one is the prettiest.
Look, does it look like a lotion? I mean, it's a little bit suspicious.
It don't look anything like lotion.
And we have these containers.
So now we're just gonna go through the security and just look at this beautiful holographic wall.
Yeah, we are in Las Vegas airport. Do you know what this airport's called?
McCarran.
Yeah?
I am so excited. Like literally.
Me too.
Wait, we're gonna go through security now?
Yeah,
I am so scared because like what if
I know.
what if they like cancel our flight so we'll like have to like
I know.
so they'll have to like make sure. I'm so scared.
Yeah, it is a little bit scary.
And my little Hannah banana is here, and I would not survive without her, so that is Gucci. Your Gucci flip flop.
Can I film here or no?
No.
Probably not, huh?
We'll see you on the other side.
Ah!
Another security guard found you like, no, you can't film. Have me and that's back in England, will it still work in Czech?
I think so.
I'm so excited. You guys, we just passed security, and we're good.
First time they didn't actually check my bag at all. At all. This is so weird.
Yeah, that was.
Wow. Did you see that? We didn't have to take anything out of our bags.
Where's my suitcase?
Checked it. Under.
Oh, poor Timmy.
Dude, you don't have to carry them around all heavy.
I like dragging gear.
That's-
It's like annoying sound.
I can't believe we got through so easily.
I know, and she was.
So now we are gonna go and wait for boarding.
Yeah. Oh my god, I put
Well, this is fun. This is so cool. Are there pictures? This is really cool.
Oh, look at that plane! It's like the Grammy Awards, but in a plane. We have middle seats, so we have no windows. It's like really thick.
We'll be sleeping anyways.
Hi, welcome to Chili's. Yes. You guys, sorry if it's really shaky. And we're just walking. Whoa, look at that beautiful painting. That is so pretty. We're boarding!
Yay! How long are we flying?
12 hours.
Oh.
Oh god, I'm attracting attention. You guys don't understand how long I have been. So long. Not that long.
So if it's 500 miles an hour for 12 hours, how many miles are you traveling? Do the math.
I'm too lazy. I'm on school.
Comment below if you know the answer.
Hi. Hello. Oh, I think we are all the way at the back.
So you guys, right now we're in the plane. I am all buckled up. I am ready. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so excited. And you guys, look at this cool movie thing. You could like plug your headphones into here. Hey you guys. We have a water bottle, a pillow, and I think some pajamas. I don't know. But yeah, that's good. And they have it in every seat. So yeah. See you guys when we take off. Sorry, it is so loud. And yeah, we're about to make some slime and we're nervous, right Mom?
Yeah.
We're like super nervous. So make sure you stay tuned because you guys will get to see what happens. What the heck, my eye looks so weird. It has so much lights in it. Anyways, so I have this huge rash on my stomach and back because I went in a slime pool and I got like so irritated from it. And I'm scratching right now. Oh my god.
We are flying to Manchester from Las Vegas. Another 2 hours 22 minutes. It was actually 9 hours altogether, not 12 hours. I guess it's faster to fly to England than from England to Las Vegas. So we have been flying for a while, but we were sleeping and the turbulence was horrible.
My ears hurt. I am in the aisle seat, so I'll show you the aisles. we're like,
We are almost all the way to the back of the plane.
yeah. Then here's the back.
And the crew is back there.
It's like they're right there. And we're probably gonna make the slime in the bathroom because we're savages.
We need to check it out
Yeah.
first.
And guys,
Do it here because we are very messy. I don't want to be messy here.
yeah.
Thank you. Oh, cool. So this is a nice area. Look at Hannah chilling.
So you guys, there's a worker.
She's right there, guys. So we can't do slime here. Okay, let's go.
Now we're gonna get all the slime supplies and just make it on this desk. We have some containers so we can mix and store them in. We have some glue and activator. We have some more activator and some accessories and a mixing utensil. Some more glue and activator.
This is glue. This is glue.
And this is activator. It's tied, okay? It's not
Yeah, we
coloring.
actually ran out of
Yeah.
activator.
That would be really nice if it was clear glue because then it would turn blue.
I know. It's gonna make it blue.
It's gonna make it purple. I'm going to start with the pink. I'm super nervous.
And we have our containers.
Yeah. Bubble. Give me a kiss, baby. Oh, she's super excited to go.
Hi guys,
Oh,
me
hi,
Blobby.
Blobby.
I am here.
Blobby, you have to be really quiet because we're on a plane, okay?
Okay. So I can't jump and swim in the slide?
Can't.
No.
No, these are our travel bottles with the glue. It's a pink color. I'm just gonna squeeze it out. And I'm super sorry if it is quiet because it is super loud in here.
It is.
Blobby, you can still help me make this slime though.
I'm holding it.
I'm watching Ratatouille.
Are you scared?
Yeah. I was saying to my mom off camera and I was like, Mom, I'm actually so scared. I was like that, remember, Mama? This isn't a really nice pink. It's like a pinkish orange. It's really pretty though. It's like a coral.
I like it.
But now it might even turn purple or blue because of the stupid activator color. But I wish it was clear.
Uh-oh.
I wish it was clear because then it would look so pretty. It would like.
I know.
Oh my God! It's actually super pretty.
Was he looking what we are doing?
Yeah. You know what? I'm actually surprised that people are really looking. And a worker just passed by us.
I'm so excited. I'm so happy that the turbulence has stopped. Because I was so scared. The plane was going like up and down like
I
crazy.
know.
Guys, have you ever been in a turbulence? It was so scary.
You know what, you guys? I know lately some of you have been noticing that I am really mean to Blobby.
Yeah, you all sometimes mean to Blobby.
I'm gonna stop doing that, okay?
Yeah.
And so now I'm gonna be nicer to Blobby. And now I'm gonna knead it with my hands. This is so nice.
I know, it's nice. Can I touch it?
Not yet, Blobby. It is so thick. Look at this.
Anybody coming?
No. This is so thick though. Like, you know, Tide doesn't actually overactivate slime. It just makes it seem like there's just a thing in the middle and it's actually really nice texture and it makes it super thick. Now I'm going to add some foam beads. I am going to pour some in there so it doesn't go everywhere.
Uh-oh. I have a bad feeling about this.
Whoa. It's super pretty, right, Mom?
Yeah.
What?
There's people coming. You guys, the foam beads went everywhere because I wasn't looking. I'm so scared right now. I swear. If any of this gets on the carpet, I'm dead. I wish it was like neon pink, like the foam beads, but it's not. It's ball because it's a really nice coral.
It is actually nice. Oh, look how pretty that is.
It's not even purple. I swear, if I get it on the carpet, then I'm dead.
You'll be in trouble.
Wow. Look at
Can I touch it now?
Sure, but you can't rip it because then it would go everywhere. Oh my
I love
God, your ASMR
Oh my
is on
god.
fleek.
We just sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh, it's dripping down. Okay. Ooh. Oh my gosh.
The struggle. Put it away. A worker is here.
Oh.
This is actually so nice.
It is.
And it's
I love it so much. Guys, if you like this slime, give us a thumbs up, please.
yeah, and smash that subscribe button in 5 seconds. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
If you did it, comment hashtag Unicorn Squad or Sloth Squad. So we'll know that you're part of the family. These are so cool. And look, it's so thick, so I'm like really surprised.
Shall we make another one?
Yes.
I like that.
Let's do a slime smoothie at the end, guys.
Yes.
We have some Fimo slices. Okay, so y'all, I'm going to do blue next. I'm going to be using the same spoon because we're doing a slime smoothie at the end. Wow, look at how pretty. It looks like cotton candy.
Oh my gosh.
Another one's coming.
Ta-da-da-da-da. We are not doing anything.
She's coming.
This is covered. It's right here.
I love this movie.
Oh no, oh no.
That's not good. You have to put it right back in and close it. Oh my god.
My favorite turn. Do on your screen.
She's looking right
Do
at
this
us.
out. Just so you guys, I got slime all over my shirt, but it's okay. So just
What are
add
you
some water
doing?
there. I'm making some jiggly slime.
Careful.
Sid, get away from that.
Mommy.
Sid, get away from that. Let me get
Oh,
some.
slime.
Yeah, this is kind of like a dark. I wanted it to be kind of like whitish, like this color. Hi, City. Now I'm going to add the activator in. Okay, we're gonna put a lot.
You have to hurry up, sweetie.
Try not to splash it everywhere. Oh my god. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna go in with my hands real quick because it's.
Leashing out, Sedona. Over here. It's leaking.
She doesn't care.
This wasn't a good idea.
Why?
To jiggly slime. Because, look, it's going everywhere and we have no dish.
Oh my god, this actually turned out really nice. You guys comment if this is a fail. Well, it's not really a fail because they didn't really catch us. But okay. I am finished with my slime. But now I just need to knead it. Look at how good this is.
Okay, you make me so nervous the way you're holding it on the tissue.
Mama, catch the slime. It's gonna drip. And Blobby. Oh my goodness. What? What? No. It's a little bit sticky, but that's totally fine. It's super stretchy.
It is. I love it.
But look, it's a little bit overactivated.
I like it so much.
No! I thought I got it on Sid. I was like, no! Now I'm just gonna use some ASMR. I'm just gonna add some Fimo slices. Look how pretty! Who misses school? I do. So pretty. My favorite ones are the swirls.
Look,
Yeah.
it's gonna leak. Oh!
Was that open?
No.
It better have not. And you guys, sorry it is so noisy. It is definitely a little tiny bit overactivated.
I love it. Oh my goodness.
It's a little clumpy and stringy. I honestly don't think the workers even care that we're making this slime because they keep on passing by and they don't even care.
I know.
I'm actually super glad. You know, I'm one of those people who would like kick them off the plane if they made slime.
You would?
I'm kidding. Guys, we're gonna drain the water and go to the bathroom. And Also, we're gonna get some tissues because we don't have any more.
She was looking.
I know. Now we're in the bathroom and we're just draining the slime.
Try to pick it up again. Like, wait. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Yeah,
Pick it
let's
up
just.
from the sink. Don't make it go down the sink.
And then it mixes all wet.
Sorry guys, I'm stressing. This is like crazy.
And it starts foaming and open. So we'll make it extra fluffy. Now we're going to wash the sink. Blobby is going to mix slime now.
Yes.
Okay, thanks, Blobby.
Timmy's legs are right here, Timmy.
Yeah.
Can you help me please open this button? I hold you twist. Thank you. I'm making slime on another plate.
Such a cute laugh, Blobby.
It's not coming out. And the next bottle, it's a nice green color. Look at this one. Okay guys, all the glue is in, and now we will put in our activator. Wow, look at that guys. So pretty. You like it, Timmy?
Yeah.
Guys, if you like it, give this a big fat like. Yeah, big like for Blobby's hard work, just like Timmy said. Whee! Look at it.
I'll finish it.
You will finish it? Thank you.
Yeah. It looks so pretty.
It does. Wow.
It looks like ocean. I love it so much. I love the floppies. Which one's your favorite? This
Super
one?
duper sticky.
Or the blue
I
one?
need some time.
Or the coral one? Comment down below guys. My favorite would be this one if it had more beads. Wow! I think that's my favorite. Oh look, they're coming with the trolley. I think we have to be finished with it. Which one is your favorite, Sedona?
Pink one. But this is such a nice texture.
Wow!
Let's do this slime smoothie, guys.
Wow, it's so pretty!
Actually, the green one is my favorite, but the pink
Yeah?
one and the flumbies is my
Okay,
favorite
but the blue
color.
one. Whoa.
Now let's mix it. This is so cool.
Wow! I love it, guys.
It's a grayish purple.
Give it a like if you love this slime smoothie made on the plane.
Bye, guys. Thank you so much for watching this awesome video. Before we go, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below to see another next video. And if you ever made slime on a plane before.
Yes, have you ever made slime on the plane? Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
We are landing in England. Oh, we are going that way again. Oh my god.
I feel
That
like I'm on
way.
a never-ending roller coaster.
I know, me too.
Mommy! It's gonna be super cold. Wait, I need to squish his head a little bit so it's round again. And I'm sleeping.
Oh my god.
Bubble. 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 Bubble.
We're in Manchester.
Whew. Thank you, God, for getting us here safely.
Mom,
Yay!